really loved the bit where the man and the woman were doing that very sensitive bit together.
Oedd y band yn wych. Oedd y ffaith bod chdi mor agos at y perfformwyr. Oedd chdi rili'n teimlo bron bod chdi'n rhan o'r sioe.
The energy is what really stood out. They were just outstanding.
Dwi wedi colli'n llais yn gweiddi.
The show just kept getting better and better.
This was fantastic.
Just stunning.
Swn i'n argymell unrhyw un i fod i weld y sioe.